About November of the 2 years ago, my rheumatologist told me that I needed to start looking for an orthopedic surgeon, that my hips were getting almost bone on bone, especially my left one. And so I fought the process for a long time, and I thought, I'm not there yet. I'm too young for that. And then when I finally got on the page of saying, okay, what are some alternatives, I started doing some research into what some hip alternatives were. And that's when I came across the Anterior total hip replacement approach. After looking into that and seeing the difference of the anterior hip replacement and the posterior hip replacement and how much easier it was in the recovery, then I needed to look to see who could do it. So I got on the web and started searching for who could do an anterior hip replacement in this area. And everything that came up was Dr. Higgins. And so at that time, I finally made up my mind that it was time to go talk to him. So I came and talked to him at that time. And he did my left hip last April the 4th, and then he did my right hip just this past November the 30th. After my left hip replacement, I timed it. We were going to see our daughter in Alaska, and I wanted to be sure that I could enjoy the trip, and because we were going to do a lot of hiking and sightseeing. And so I had it done so that I was 3 months out, because Dr. Higgins said 3 months is what it needed to be. And I sent him a picture of me climbing a glacier. So it was great. It was, the difference was just phenomenal. Getting rid of the bone-on-bone pain. I wished I'd done it much earlier. I wished I had not waited. Being active and being back active again is just wonderful. Dr. Higgins is fantastic. Everything that the research that I did on him and just working with him has just been phenomenal. He was great from the get-go. Just very personable, educative. He, would go in and give you all the details that you needed, show you your x-rays. It wasn't one of those in and out, da-da-da, I'm out of here. He truly cares about his patients.